Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. You guys, little disclaimer, I am getting over a cold, so if my voice cuts in and out, you'll know why. Today I have a super spectacular crochet accessory haul today from Temu. You guys, I think of Temu as like kind of like a dollar store. You can find amazing deals on this website, and they do ship from China, but you get your package like super quick. So just keep that in mind when you order. If you would like to order anything, I will have all the codes down below. I will also have my code right up here. So when you guys go to the Temu website, you can use that code to check out, okay? So we will get into this. What is in here? I think there are definitely some crochet hook sets. There are crochet accessories. I can't really remember what is in the bag. So let's get started. Let's open up this bag. Okay, everyone, so let's check this out. While I'm opening this, I should mention that it is Temu's 1-year anniversary sale. So they're having all kinds of massive deals throughout their website. And if you click on the link, again, I'm going to have the link throughout the video, you can see, if you click on it through your phone, you'll see a little bar that has all of my picks on there. So it'll have all of these items on there, which I think that's really cool. I just actually found that out. So yeah, it's really awesome. Let me open this. Okay, I think I'm remembering what this is now, kind of. Let's see, let's open, why don't we open this first? What is this? So again, these are all crochet accessories, and these are from Temu. And how do you open this? Oh, so this is a very pretty yarn bowl, and I love this one because it has a lid. I have a yarn bowl and it does not have a lid. So this one is super spectacular. Look at how pretty that is. Actually, you know what? Let me see what the current price of this is right now. Hold on one second. Okay, sorry about that. I had to get some yarn to show you how this works. So this is so gorgeous. This actually looks like bamboo, and you put that on. I'm so happy I got this with the lid because I have one, and sometimes when I'm pulling on, especially when I have a ball of yarn, oh, you guys, this is so pretty. It jumps out. So how this works is if you have a yarn ball, or you could put your skein in there. So you put the yarn in there, and then you just wind it around like this. Of course, this isn't cooperating today. Like that. And then you close it. And then you just pull from here, and it makes life so much easier. It's so awesome. You can also, actually, I think this is much better because it has the hole. A lot of these don't have the holes. You can get this out here, and you can stick your yarn just through the hole. Actually, I think I like this much better. Okay, so you just put your yarn through there like this, and then you pull it out. I love that even better. Put the lid on, and you guys are good to go. You can just pull it through as you work. Oh my God, I love this so much, you guys, and it's really high quality. I believe this is bamboo. I mean, and it's real wood. So it's really, really beautiful. I absolutely love this. This is really, really awesome. Again, I will have all the links to the individual items down below. And then I will also, if you guys are interested, I will also have the link right up here. And when you guys when you click on the link through your mobile device, it will bring up my website. I believe it is the website. And then it will have there will be a bar and it will have all of the merchandise that I am reviewing today. But they are having their 1-year anniversary. Oh, I know what this is. I'm super excited. So the prices are phenomenal right now. And I will have my, oh, look at this. Oh, you have to put it together. I'll have you, what was I going to say? I don't even remember. I'll have all the links down below. So this is, I didn't realize you had to put it together, but I'm super excited for this. This is what I'm calling a yarn holder, and it kind of looks like a paper towel holder that lays flat, but you guys can see the diagram. I'm not going to put it together right now, obviously. Maybe I'll do that on a separate video. But this is, it's like a paper towel holder that lays on its side, right? And you put your yarn through there, like you put a skein of yarn or your yarn ball through on the dowel, and then you can pull it like that. And I think that is so awesome. I actually could have used this a couple weeks ago because I was using the strand of metallic string. I was trying to use it anyway, and I was getting really, really frustrated. But this is so, so cool. I think this is such a good idea. And you guys, I will make a separate video of putting this together and then using it. So I'm just calling it a yarn holder, kind of like a paper towel holder. But this is really, really cool. And again, I'll have the link. I'll actually have the link for this right up here, okay, to make it easier for you guys. Super, super awesome. I'm so excited for that. Okay, now let's get into this bag. What is this? Oh, and it comes actually, oh, that's really awesome. The yarn holder comes with a screwdriver and screws, so you are all set to go. Okay, everyone, sorry, my husband came home. This is the Temu bag. This is kind of nice, actually, if you want to store sweaters or something in it. Ooh. So again, I got a lot of different crochet hook sets. This is one of them. Oh, these are cute. So this one goes 2.5 millimeter all the way up to 6 millimeter in the pretty, pretty, pretty pastel colors. Those are really nice. Let me open it up and see. I love these. Oh yeah, okay. So this is like a hard plastic. It's not like the soft ones, but this is a great beginner set, you guys. This is definitely for someone who is just starting out with crochet, not sure that they want to commit or whatnot. I think this set was only a couple of bucks. I will have the link to this set right up here. It's a really, really, really nice gift for beginners, and the colors are super, super cute. And then we have these cute bags. Oh my God. I love Temu. It's so awesome. These are, again, yarn holders. They come in a set of 2. I think these were only like $5 or something. These are, let me open up this one. You put this, how cute. So again, you open it up, you unzip it. It looks like a little bug net thing. And then you put your skein, your ball. Let me get this skein of yarn out here. These are great, like when you are traveling in your car or something, because they're super, super lightweight and they pack up like nothing, right? So you put your skein in here and then you thread the yarn through here like this. This is great for the beach. This is great for the park. This is great just when you're on the go and you're crocheting things. I mean, this is great just on the couch too. So you pull that through and then you just zip it up like that. And boom, it's good to go. You are crocheting through here. I like these. I actually had a really, really big one that I got from Joann. These are great even in the living room or in the kitchen because it protects your yarn from getting fuzzies and just lint and hair and stuff from it. So these are really, really awesome, you guys. I love this. Again, it comes in a pack of 2 because of course we all have more than 2 projects going on, but you can also put more than 1 skein of yarn in there too. So very, very cute. I'm so super excited for all of this, you guys. It's so awesome. So now what do we have? We have this. So these rings I was really interested in, and again, it is a yarn holder. These are like $1, maybe $1.50. And this one is a snake. So when you're crocheting, you have your crochet and then you put, I'm not 100% sure how these work. You're supposed to put your, there you go. You put your yarn through there and it just keeps the tension. And these come in all kinds of different colors. And again, this is great. You guys, the holidays are coming up, stocking stuffers. This is like really, really awesome. I will have the link to this up above and then I'll have all the links again down below. Really, really cool. And this comes in several different styles and several different colors as well. And it's just metal. I'm loving this so far. What else do we have in here? These scissors I absolutely love. I got these on the previous Temu yarn haul, but these are enamel. Look at how pretty these are. Again, these would all make excellent stocking stuffers, you guys. These scissors are so, so awesome, and they're super sharp. And I like them because they are small. The previous ones I got were a little bit bigger, but these are really, really cool. Again, I will have all the links down below. I'll have the main link right above here, you guys, and then you can use the code. The code will be down below, and then I'll also have the code up here. And yeah, it's super spectacular. Temu 1-year anniversary. Let me take this out here so you guys can see. Super, super cute and super beautiful. Okay, we have 2 more hook sets. So this is another one. This one is a little bit different than this one. So these are a little bit smaller in millimeters. Can you guys see the difference? I can. So this set has a bigger grip on it. And again, it's 2.5. Actually, this is 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter to 6 millimeter. And again, just a word, these are plastic. They are not the soft like clover, but I mean, it is soft. It's instead of metal. It is plastic. It is great for beginners and pros alike. And it's always nice just to have an extra set around because you never know. I have like, I don't even know how many crochet hook sets I have, but I still manage to lose the 4 and 5 millimeters all the time. It's hilarious. That, but I always lose my scissors, but I never lose my yarn needles. Go figure. So here, last but not least, is another hook set. And this one comes in a pouch. So let's see this. It's a cotton pouch, really, really cute. You open it up. And it has, okay, so these are the hooks that we know and love. These are very, very similar to the clover hooks. They are the softer, grippy ones as opposed to these. These are hard plastic, so I just want to let you guys know. This is a beautiful, I really like this because it comes in different colors. So this comes with all of the hooks. Again, you have 2.5, is it 2.5? It's 2 millimeter all the way up to, that's a 5, that's a 4, all the way up to 6 mil. No, this is a 6 millimeter right here. Okay. And again, these grips are the, I don't know what the correct wordage for that is, but it's the softer, like similar to the clover hooks. Softer, not rubber, but you know what I'm talking about. This also comes with yarn needles, and then it also comes with stitch markers. I love these stitch markers. They make actually really, really nice stitch markers because they're thicker. Some of the stitch markers that I've used in the past are thin and they break easily, but Temu has really, really nice stitch markers. So, all right, you guys, that is my Temu haul. I love this bag. For this month, again, they are having their 1-year anniversary. So go check it out. I will have the link again right up here. And then I'll have my code to use down here. I'll also have all the information down below. What did we get? We got this very cute crochet hook set. We have the 2 hard plastic crochet hook set. Again, these are great for beginners. We have the scissors. You guys, I love these scissors. They're so beautiful. They're enamel. They're actually, I got to get some more of these. We have the cute ring. I mean, what do I call this? A yarn ring, I guess. It just holds the tension on the yarn. And then we also have the cute, very cute, I love these, like they weigh nothing at all, mesh yarn holders. So you guys can hold your yarn. And again, it comes in a pack of 2. And also, we have the awesome yarn bowl. I am in love with this. I think this is so, so gorgeous. It's very, very, very well made. And it comes with a lid. How cool is that? Oh, and then also we have the other yarn holder that I will put together on a separate video. Okay. So thank you all so, so much for watching this Temu yarn haul. Again, they're having their 1-year anniversary, you guys. Go check it out. Again, I'll have the link up above. All the links will be down below for you. Download the app, get your coupons. They have amazing coupons and amazing deals, you guys. Thank you so, so much for watching. I hope you all are doing well, and we will talk to each other in the next video.